Ever wondered why your perfectly designed logo looks blurry when you put it on a business card or, worse, a massive billboard? Let's unravel the mystery of logo pixelation in Adobe Illustrator and learn how to keep your brand looking sharp. First, let's understand what makes Illustrator so special. It creates vector graphics, which are built using mathematical equations. This means they are infinitely scalable without losing quality. The problem arises when we save or export our logo. If you save it in a pixel-based format like JPG or PNG, the software rasterizes, converting it into pixels, and the resolution decides how sharp or blurry this rasterized version is. Think of resolution as the density of those pixels. A low resolution means fewer pixels, resulting in blur. Now, let's discuss file formats. When exporting, choose the right format for the right purpose. Always prefer a vector format like SVG, EPS, or PDF for logos. These can be scaled to any size without losing quality. If you must use a raster format, like for the logo on a website, make sure the resolution DPI is high enough. For a smaller logo, 70 to DPI might be fine, but for print or larger applications, aim for a minimum of 300 DPI. Check the export settings for options that let you control the resolution and even the background transparency, especially for branding needs. In the final step, here's some simple advice. Always create your logos in Illustrator using vector graphics. Always export with the correct file type. Considering your needs, always evaluate the file. By keeping these simple steps in mind, you'll be well on your way to ensuring that every application of your logo looks fantastic, preserving your brand integrity and keeping it crisp for wherever you display it.